In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF file to an A4 size using your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to head on over to a site called pdf2go.com. And now once you're here, you want to click onto the top left hand corner. It looks like a little window just to bring up more settings. And then scroll down a bit, and then where it says improve PDF files, look for change PDF page size. So go ahead and click into that. And now, as you can see, you change PDF page size, so resize PDF online. You do not need to install a program to resize a PDF file. Simply use this free online service. So this is a very cool and easy way to convert a size. So from here, go ahead and choose your file, and you can choose from device, Dropbox, Google Drive, or from URL. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do device, and then from here choose an action. I'm going to scroll across and pick on media picker. All right, now I'm going to click on the PDF I'd like to change. So I'm going to do this document here. This is for demonstration purposes. And now, as you can see, it's upload in progress. So file added, start task, or add more files. So you can add more files to convert more to A4 size. Once you've done that, click onto settings, and then you want to click on choose from a preset. So we've got A4 already chosen for you, but if it isn't, simply click on the drop down menu and choose A4. You can even do A4 small if you like as well, and you've got other sizes as well. So if you ever need to change to a different size, it's all here. So I'm going to keep it on A4 standard, and then from here click on to start, and now you can see it's starting the process here. And now let that run out, and there you go, it says done. So now I can go ahead and download that PDF file that's been converted to an A4 size. So once you've done that, click download, and then download file again. Well, I've already got it. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.